developing the registration system in the gratis program, especially by building and integrating the museum databases to make them more accurate, valid, and updated. Gratispol is a government program that aims to help people get public services and assistance fairly. However, in its implementation, there are still several problems, especially in the registration and data collection process. There are still inaccurate data, duplicate data, and eligible people who are not registered and beneficiaries. This shows that the current data management systems still need improvement. One solution is to build an integrated database system between related institutions. Through this system, beneficial data can become more accurate and updated regularly. By implementing this improvement, the gratispol system process will become more targeted, transparent, and efficient. Government assistance can also be distributed to people who truly need it. As public administration study, we need to address the data quality is very important in the success of public policy. Without good data, if good programs not run effectively. That is all I would like to say. Thank you for assistance.
Today, I will talk about Gratispol Kaltim. Gratispol Kaltim is a flagship initiative for free education from high school to university. Beneficiaries rose from 58,000 to 78,000. The problem? Weak interagency coordination. Agencies and campuses work alone. This bureaucratic silo creates negative externalities, lost data, delayed funds, lower public trust. The solution? Strengthen interagency coordination for effective governance. First, create a joint task force for cross-sectoral collaboration to end sectoral ego and build institutional capacity. Second, apply a one data policy for transparency and accountability. Since data means fast verification, this is evidence-based policy. Third, run regular monitoring and evaluation monthly to ensure policy implementation hits the target. Our goal, cut verification from 30 days to 7 days. This is service efficiency for social equity. All this need good governance and stakeholder engagement. Agency hits must appoint a liaison officer. Students report through one channel. Campuses since data weekly. Policy coherency means agencies work as one team. Bad coordination, a broken promise. Strong coordination, Kaltim is future. Let's oversee Gratispol starting now.
I want to briefly talk about the development of beneficiary data for the Gratispol Kaltim program. If we look at the data, the number of beneficiaries has been consistently increasing over time. In April 2025, there were around 58,000 beneficiaries, then increased to about 63,000 in July and reached 68,000 in October. And in 2026, the number keep growing. In January, there were around 73,000 beneficiaries. and by May 2026 it had reached nearly 79,000. This increase shows that the gratis Polkal team program is helping more students. It had but at the secondary education level such as senior high school, vocational school, and as well at the university level. At the secondary education level, with this data, access to education is becoming more equitable and more are benefiting from this program. However, this also brings a challenge. The government needs to make sure that the data remains accurate and that the program reaches the right people. So overall the data shows a positive trend. But good management is still very important moving forward.
Distinguished stakeholder and fellow agent of Saint our present here today reflects our shared commitment to clean government and infrastructure action in the socio-political realm. Every policy and enactments the lack of many, however, good intentions alone are not enough. Good intentions without oversight often lead to inefficiency, and policy without evaluation is merely an efficient and the people expand. Monitoring in socio-political program search is our is an ear on the ground. Image ripe social dynamical in men assume that it reaches the right here and the development alliance. With overpromise, this is offered possibility to our constituency and the politics. We both rigorous monitoring and give for division and management will wait the political war is often treated in the realm inefficient, however, evaluation forces and to speak to data that is environment program to reduce poverty than this regulation foster social harmony or further polarization. Evaluation gives us the correct to acknowledge what need improvement and to strengthen what his offer said it calling the greatest capital in social politics is transparent monitoring and evaluation is the best way to nurture and trust when the people that we are disciplined and monitoring performance and one in evaluating first how that is for our leadership. Legitimacy and solidity fall to call. Let us not value me and E is a tool for photo-feeding, but is a bridge to achieve social justice. Let's shall go every process with value data and revision for a better future. Thank you for association and for hard work with a effective season.
Today I would like to present the importance of applying the digital coding program as a concept offered by government to enhance equitable and informed access to education in its Kalimantan. The gratis coding program is a pricing initiative and an proposing free education supervising from senior high school, vocational school, special education school to higher education. This program serves as a solution to reduce the financial burden of education that many families still face, ensuring that every child has a support and solutions for education. However, in its implementation, information, these programs will face several challenges. Education can be deprivation of data, like data privacy, and difficulties in access information and service. Therefore, the main solution that must be practices is the digitalization of service and information of transformation. Digitalization of service means developing and integration digital platform that allows people to register, request, and monitor this education status easily and efficiently. The system reducing data and manage more adequately in real time and in an iteration manner across activities. In addition, transformation will decrease because the public can access information. Contributing in the pricing matter across intelligence. In addition, transformation will increase because public can access information easily and effectively. This will not only make it easier for the public, but also increase public trust in the government with digitalization process data more efficient, competent, and time-consuming can become more efficient, faster, and more targeted. If these steps in implemented properly, the effects will be very significant. People will have easier access to education, analytic will be efficient, and human resources will evolve. Moreover, completion is public service will strengthen public trust in government performance. Inclusion education is long-term information for education through the collection of the response program. There are programs for education, but also tourism and modern translation and for public service system. Let us first the information for education vision is the Kalimantan Timur.